Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the app. Open Goodnotes and go straight to settings so you don't lose time. Once there, choose General or Handwriting. Goodnotes groups typing and ink options together. You want the area that controls text input behavior because Autocorrect lives there. Make sure you're in the latest app version. Older layouts may differ. Tap into the text or typing subsection and prepare to switch the autocorrect toggle off. This prevents automatic edits while you write or type, which keeps your original phrasing intact. Now you'll turn autocorrect off. Locate the autocorrect or correct spelling entry under typing or text settings. Tap the toggle so it moves off. Once done, the switch should visually change or lose a highlight, indicating it's disabled. Make sure to also check related switches like predictive text if you want 0 corrections. After flipping it, create a quick text box and type an intentional misspelling to confirm Goodnotes no longer changes words. If it still corrects, proceed to the next troubleshooting step. Finish by closing settings and restarting Goodnotes so the change applies consistently. If autocorrect persists, remember Goodnotes can defer to your device keyboard. Open iOS settings, go to General Keyboard, and disable autocorrection there as well. Once both app and system corrections are off, relaunch Goodnotes. If the problem still happens, back up your notebooks and reinstall the app. Reinstall clears corrupt preferences. One key troubleshooting tip: test in a fresh notebook after each change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.